I have the yellow cross, and you need to match up as many of the sides as you can. Orange is matched, but none of the others are. Let's try green. Green is matched and red is matched. That's good. Put those in the back right, and then you need to follow these steps. The right side back, pull with your right hand, which is clockwise, and then forward, then pull with your right hand, and then back, and pull with your left hand twice. 1, 2, and then turn it down, forward, towards you. Join up any you can. Yes, 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 yes. That is the yellow cross completed.